These aren't your typical RVs or full-size camper vans. They're K campers, tiny, clever, and incredibly efficient machines built on Japan's famous K-class vehicles. Originally designed after World War II to provide affordable mobility in a country with tight streets and limited space, these compact vehicles have evolved into some of the most creative mini campers on the planet. What looks small on the outside often hides a surprisingly smart living space inside. Foldable beds, pop-up roofs, mini kitchens, storage tricks, and even off-grid power setups packed into vehicles barely bigger than city cars. In this video, we're counting down 15 Japanese K campers you need to see, each one proving that you don't need a massive RV to travel in comfort and style. From factory-built conversions to wild DIY builds, these mini camper vans are redefining what life on the road really means. Let's jump right in. Field Life Vita. The Field Life Vita is one of the most impressive Japanese K campers, proving that a compact van can still deliver a comfortable camping experience. Built on the reliable Daihatsu Atrai platform, it features a clever pop-up roof that expands interior headroom to approximately 2,000 millimeters, creating a surprisingly spacious living area. Inside, a large sofa quickly converts into an adjustable bed, while underfloor compartments, overhead cabinets, and a dedicated shoe storage area maximize organization. The Vita also includes a round sink, pull-out shower faucet, and a versatile table for indoor or outdoor use. Power comes from a sub-battery system with an optional lithium-ion upgrade for extended adventures. Despite offering generous interior space and practical amenities, the camper remains under 2 meters tall when closed, making it easy to drive and park daily. Priced at around $25,000 for the four-wheel drive version, the Field Life Vita is a smart blend of practicality, comfort, and everyday usability. MYS Mystic Mini Pop B. The MYS Mystic Mini Pop B is one of Japan's most beloved K campers, built on the Toyota Pixus truck and refined through more than a decade of development. The 2024 model introduces several upgrades while maintaining the charm that made it popular among camping enthusiasts. One of its biggest strengths is customization, allowing buyers to personalize the exterior paint, interior finishes, and additional features to suit their needs. Inside, the camper offers a warm, cozy atmosphere with subtle vintage styling, complemented by redesigned cabinetry featuring wooden handles and improved storage solutions. Amenities include a 12-volt cooler, a bottleneck water meter, and the brand's signature denim-colored cushions and upholstery that create a modern yet inviting feel. Compact and easy to drive, it's perfect for weekend getaways and light camping adventures, though it's not designed for rough off-road travel. Priced at around $25,000, the Mini Pop B delivers a unique blend of personality, comfort, and practicality. White House Campers N Van Compo. The White House Campers NN Van Compo transforms the Honda N van into a remarkably capable Japanese K camper designed for both hobbyists and overnight adventurers. Often described as a mobile, secret base, it makes excellent use of every inch of space with a flexible interior that can be arranged for sleeping, relaxing, or gear storage. The cushioned bed mattress provides a comfortable sleeping area, while the raised bedboard creates up to 1,800 millimeters of standing room. Features include a sink with indoor and outdoor access, microwave oven, fold-down table, water tanks, power outlets, and a removable mosquito net. An FF-type air heater keeps the cabin warm without running the engine, while the exclusive rotating driver's seat adds extra versatility. Outside, an optional side awning creates a terrace-like living space, and a rear-mounted bike rack can carry up to 3 bicycles. Buyers can also add a cargo rack for extra storage. With its practical layout, clever features, and adventure-ready design, the N Van Compo offers an impressive camping experience for around $20,000. Honda N-Box Joy. The Honda N-Box Joy is a clever Japanese K camper designed for leisure driving, weekend adventures, and even overnight camping. Built on the third-generation N-Box platform, it combines compact dimensions with impressive practicality. The exterior stands out with a redesigned bumper, unique air intakes, retro-inspired wheels, and a bold black grille, while optional LED bumper lights, adventure decals, and a roof rack add an outdoor-ready look. Inside, the rear seats fold completely flat to create a comfortable sleeping area, and hidden cargo floor compartments provide useful storage. Optional awnings extend the living space outdoors, turning any stop into a cozy campsite. Power comes from a 658 cubic centimeter 3-cylinder engine, producing 58 horsepower, or an available turbocharged version with 63 horsepower. Both are paired with a CVT transmission and offered in either front-wheel or all-wheel drive configurations. Starting at around $12,000, the N-Box Joy delivers an excellent balance of city-friendly maneuverability, comfort, and camping versatility in a remarkably compact package. K-Works Exclusive Minibird. The K-Works Exclusive Minibird is a premium Japanese K camper built on the Daihatsu Atrai, designed for solo travelers and pet-friendly adventures. It focuses heavily on comfort and smart space usage, featuring a fully flat bed layout that converts the cabin into a cozy sleeping area with a pressure-dispersing mattress. Inside, it includes a compact galley with a sink, foldable table, and even a microwave for convenience on the road. One of its biggest highlights is the powerful electrical system, offering up to a 300 ampere-hour lithium battery option, a 2,000-watt inverter, and support for solar charging, making it highly capable for off-grid use. It also supports air conditioning operation for extended periods. Additional features include external water access, a 12-volt cooler option, and premium storage solutions. Despite its compact key size, it delivers a surprisingly luxurious, well-equipped camping experience at around $39,800. Nuts RV Spinach. The Nuts RV Spinach is a premium Japanese K camper that brings surprising space and comfort into a compact van body. Built on platforms like the Suzuki Every or Nissan Clipper, it focuses on maximizing usability through smart design. One of its standout features is the optional pop-up roof, which increases interior height and adds extra sleeping space for up to 4 people. Inside, it offers a full flat floor conversion with a proper dinette layout, allowing passengers to sit face-to-face comfortably. The interior uses lightweight PVC furniture, improving durability and reducing overall weight while maintaining a clean, modern finish. A hard urethane mattress system ensures solid sleeping comfort, and multiple layout options allow flexible bed or lounge configurations. The camper also supports optional sink installations, LED lighting, USB power ports, and storage cabinets for daily essentials. Priced from around $25,000 to $30,000 depending on configuration, the Spinach delivers a refined balance of practicality, comfort, and clever engineering in true K camper style. Tech Lunetta PZ. The Tech Lunetta PZ is a refined Japanese K camper that transforms the compact Suzuki Every into a surprisingly comfortable micro motorhome. Designed for practical travel, it retains a 4-seat layout while offering a cleverly engineered interior that maximizes every inch of space. The rear seats and cargo floor fold flat to create a comfortable sleeping area for 2, while a ceiling-mounted shelf and smart storage solutions keep gear organized. A compact sink doubles as a work surface, and a swing-out table provides a functional dining or workstation setup. Power access is supported through a 100-volt outlet, alongside standard 12-volt sockets, making it easy to run small appliances or charge devices on the go. Some configurations even allow optional TV installation for entertainment. With its tall roof advantage and smart interior packaging, the Lunetta PZ delivers a cozy, hotel-like camping experience in a minimal footprint, typically priced in the mid-budget range for K conversions. Rakuneru Lili. The Rakuneru Lili is a well-designed Japanese K camper built on the Daihatsu Hijet cargo, offering a smart balance between compact size and practical living space. It measures 3,395 by 1,475 by 1,890 millimeters and is powered by a 658 cubic centimeter inline 3DOHC turbo engine producing around 64 horsepower, paired with CVT and available in 2WD or 4WD. Inside, it accommodates 4 passengers and sleeps 2 comfortably, thanks to a flat folding bed system supported by a strong yet lightweight aluminum frame. Storage is cleverly integrated beneath the bed and around the cabin, making use of every inch. Optional features include an AGM 100 ampere-hour sub-battery, 18-liter compressor fridge, LED lighting, and DC/USB power outlets, with optional insulation and charging systems for extended trips. Priced from around $19,000, it's an affordable, versatile microcamper built for everyday use and weekend escapes. Oka Atrai SV. The Oka Atrai SV is a refined Japanese KEI camper based on the Daihatsu Atrai, designed for comfort, practicality, and efficient space use. It is powered by a 660 cubic centimeter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine producing around 64 horsepower, paired with a CVT and available in 2WD or 4WD. Inside, it offers seating for 4 and sleeping space for 2, built around a premium triple-layer urethane mattress system for enhanced comfort. The interior includes a compact kitchen setup with sink, fold-out table, and optional microwave, along with smart storage throughout. A 100-volt power system with multiple outlets and USB ports supports appliances, backed by a sub-battery and optional solar setup. Priced around $30,000, it delivers a balanced mix of luxury and compact camping capability. Honda N-Van E. The Honda N-Van E is a Japanese KEI camper based on the Honda N-Van platform, designed for commercial and recreational use. It features a high-capacity battery compact e-axle and supports fast charging in about 30 minutes. A 1,500-watt external power supply allows running appliances, tools, and camping gear, making it ideal for mobile cafes, workshops, and off-grid travel. The interior offers a flat cargo space that can be converted for sleeping or work using Honda Access accessories like roof racks and mesh pockets. It includes an 8-inch navigation system and rear camera assistance. Priced around $18,000, it is versatile. Field Life Balocco. The Field Life Balocco is a rugged yet compact Japanese KEI camper built on the Daihatsu Hijet truck platform, designed for practical off-grid travel. It features a highly insulated hydroback body with double acrylic windows, helping maintain a stable interior temperature in all seasons. Inside, it offers a convertible seating area that turns into a comfortable flat bed, along with a small kitchenette including a sink, water system with 13-liter tanks, and optional refrigerator. Smart storage, LED lighting, and a roof carrier improve usability and space efficiency. Optional upgrades include solar panels, FF heater, awnings, and enhanced electrical systems, with prices around $25,000 to $30,000 depending on configuration. The Balocco delivers a durable, self-sufficient camping experience in a compact key-size package. Chantarou Daihatsu Hijet. The Chantarou Daihatsu Hijet is a budget-friendly DIY Japanese KEI camper that transforms a simple Daihatsu Hijet microvan into a compact living space. Known for its reliable K-Class platform and 660 cubic centimeter engine, the Hijet provides a solid base for customization. This build focuses on practicality, using handcrafted wooden panels to create a warm, cabin-like interior. Inside, it features a flat sleeping bed with storage underneath, modular shelving for cooking gear, spices, and daily essentials, plus a compact seating and storage layout. A portable power station supports off-grid use along with a small 11-liter fridge. LED strip lighting, curtain partitions, hooks, and organizers enhance comfort and privacy. Even a portable toilet is included. It's an affordable, functional microcamper built for simple travel. Tin Can Suzuki Super Carry. The Tin Can Suzuki Super Carry is a simple yet clever DIY Japanese KEI camper built from a bare-bones Suzuki supercarry van that can cost around $2,000 in used condition. It focuses on budget-friendly conversion, turning cargo space into a compact living area designed for minimal comfort and practicality. Inside it features a bed with storage underneath and simple fittings for essentials. It is mainly designed for weekend trips and overnight stays rather than full off-grid living. Its small footprint makes it easy to drive and park in tight city streets, a great budget camper example today. YUMENOKABAN Danny. The YUMENOKABAN Danny is a thoughtfully organized Japanese K camper built on the Suzuki Spacia platform, designed for long-term travel and minimalist living. Instead of heavy modification, it focuses on smart storage and everyday practicality. The rear area holds essentials like a Muji storage case, solar panel, sunshade, bedding, rice, and daily supplies, while the back seats store bags, clothing, power equipment, and water. Even the front cabin is efficiently used with eco bags, documents, and cleaning tools. Cooking gear such as a clay pot and cassette stove sits neatly under the passenger seat. A foldable mattress system converts the interior into a comfortable sleeping space. Based on a 4WD Spacia, costing around $19,000, it's a true example of intelligent DIY camper design.